Okay, I'm Ashley Payette. I'm a junior and I'm a captain of the gymnastics team. I do all the events, vault, bars, beam, and floor. And my favorite is beam. I don't know, it's risky. Love doing it. We've had 3 meets, we've won 2. We keep getting good scores. We have 2 invitationals this year coming up, and they'll be difficult for us. I'm excited for our lock-in this year. It's really fun. We just spend the night at Chan. We do a ton of activities. We go out to dinner, and then our pasta dinner is also super fun with the team. We get to bond a lot and eat a lot of food. My least favorite is floor. It's hard. I don't like tumbling.
I'm Joe Statzik, and I think the scariest thing to do in gymnastics would be the balance beam, because you could do a backflip and land in the wrong area, or you could fall off.
Hi, I'm Keegan, and if I did gymnastics, I'd be afraid of the beam the most because I don't know where I'm landing when I do a flip.
That's good.
My name is Anna Craig, and the thing I would be most scared about in gymnastics is the pole vault. The pole vault. The pole vault. My name is Anna Craig, and the thing I'd be most scared about is the vault.
My name is Jack Marr, and if I did gymnastics, I'd be most scared of the beam, because on YouTube, the most failed videos come from the beam, where people do the splits and they land on their reproductive organ.